Okay, so this is now ABIOTEQ Academy. We are now going to talk about another electronics device called turbidity sensor. It can be used as an optical density proxy as well, which means that this will tell the turbidity in the liquid that is between the two joints, which is this one. Okay, so as you can see, or maybe not see, now you can see maybe. So there is an LED light, and once we feed something into the two grooves where between which the turbidity is to be measured, the light changes its color. And the three wires, one goes to the power supply. I've put it 5 volts here, another to the ground, and another one gives the reading to the analog port. And then of course this Arduino board requires some kind of a power as well, that is being interfaced by this USB port. And there is an integrated development environment IDE, maybe you can see in the bigger screen, and that's where the code is written. And here is how the code looks like. We put a baud rate of 9600, and then we do certain calculations to convert the 5 volt into appropriate measurement, and then we take an inverse of that to tell about the turbidity. And then the task is very simple. I just need to verify my script, and it looks like it has been verified very successfully. Then I upload the code to the Arduino board, and as soon as the board has been the data has been gone over there, then we simply have to let me try this again. Yeah, maximum. Okay, so it has started, and then I have to see the plotter. So the data is interpolate, and then if I okay, so now we can see that the data has been generated, and is this one point, but if I remove it, we get another point. Yeah, so I'm feeding the opaque substance or translucent substance in between, and the graph is generated accordingly, as you can see over here. Maybe I put too much of time over here, so let me stop this and do it once again. So instead of keeping the delay to be 10,000 millisecond, let me put it as only 1,000 milliseconds so that we get more data points. So now I verify it, and then I upload the script, and that has happened successfully. And then let me see the plotted data, and now I can see that a straight line has been generated. Let me make it full screen. And then if I put in the opaque substance, the light glows and the data also changes. And the good thing is that if I click on the interpolate thing, we get much nicer curved plots instead of straight lines, as you can see over here. Okay, so this was all about turbidity sensor. This kind of sensor can be used in water liquid, such as even bioreactors, fermenters. And my purpose was to give a tutorial of how to use it. Now let me remove this and see how the plot drops. Yeah, and let me put some kind of a paper, and it will have different kind of opaqueness, and then the plot changes much more, which means that the value is 1.2, much more than 1, which means that it's really highly opaque. Okay, so that ends the session for how to use a turbidity sensor connecting with a microprocessor such as Raspberry Pi. And here is the code once again for those who want to have a look at it. Okay, is it clear now? Thank you. tutorial by ABIOTEQ. Thank you.